This is my first alligator in Florida. He has come from way back there to check me out. Look at that, that's so big. You can't see him, but I can see his ass clearly, and I see two beady ass eyes. Now he's stopped and staring me down. Yeah, you better keep on walking, bitch. I'll fuck you up. Something just jumped in the water over there. You didn't even flinch. Yeah, I see your ass. You checking me out, and I'm checking your shit out. I'd say it's probably 6 feet, 8 feet. It's hard to tell. Looks like his head's about 10 inches across. I'm actually working on cable. Somebody's house right now. It's the pond. Ooh! Ooh! He is creeping on my ass. He just bounced up. Something just saw his shit. Yeah, buddy boy. Keep creeping your little ass up here. Yeah, I'm just looking right at your shit. That's my first one, and he's a nosy ass. There's a ditch bank, there he is. 15 feet, and he's getting the backward walk. Because his ass just ain't working for me. There he sits. Bitch.